So guys, I'm about to bring the 4th gen back up to Yoda Mafia. Hurricane pending again, it seems like, all the time here. But I guess that's what you pay to live in paradise, right? Did all the videos I needed to with it being stock, except for my wife driving it stock to see what it was. But here's the clips right now of her seeing it, because I basically bought it without her seeing it. But here's her first impressions of the vehicle.
I actually do like it.
Really?
Yeah. Let me go on the driver's side.
Usually you are like, it's older. Ugh, I don't like it.
It doesn't seem as old as the Tundra.
It's 14 years old. It's the exact same age as the Tundra. It's a 06, just like the Tundra.
Oh, it's so much nicer in here than your 4Runner.
Are you just saying that because you're on camera?
No, your first 4Runner.
Oh, okay. Look above you.
It's clean.
Look above you.
Oh, what?
A TV. So.
Oh. It's really clean.
Yeah.
But did they spray paint all this?
No, that's just overspray. So I talked to Brad about that because someone expressed a concern about that. He's like, no, it's just overspray from when they painted the car, because this is stock, that little plastic cap thing. So that's just overspray. So this is how clean it is.
Wow.
Yeah.
One owner, you said?
Yep. I want to clean up the seats though really well, but and it opens just like mine.
Dang.
Yeah. It's better back here than mine is. So this lifts up. So lift that up and then it folds back, like it origami folds.
Oh, that's cool. Why doesn't my car have
I
that?
don't know. There's a lot of stuff in this thing that I wish got carried over to mine.
Newer ones?
Yeah. Yeah. Underneath.
Honestly, pretty decent shape.
No, they really are.
I can sell these.
If they ever send us back the caps, we could
Yeah,
also.
look at that. You need to call them.
They have your address, right?
Yeah, I didn't know anything.
Guys, look how insanely clean it is underneath now that we have it under the lift. We took off the skid plates as well. As you guys can see, everything very clean, still amazing, amazing, amazing. We were trying some prototype Yoda Mafia ones that Breland's making up, and then we also took off the front bumper, little cattle killer thing that so many of you guys love so much. But it's weird because there's some big brackets that are like all the way up in here as well by 3 bolts, but we're going to be taking the front bumper off anyways, because we're putting a full front bumper on. Can't decide yet if it's going to be like a crazy full one or just some hybrid bumper, but we're going to be taking all that off anyways, so hopefully it'll be easy to get to those right there. Well guys, this is where the 4Runner is going to stay for the next 2 to 3 weeks. Hopefully I'll be able to get it back down to my house in between then, maybe a little bit, because there's still a few videos that I haven't gotten done yet with it, comparing it to the 5th gen. Time just got away, you know how that is, so this is where it's gonna stay. We got wheels, as you guys saw, those cool VTX wheels, that's what we're thinking for this one. Some BF Goodwrench tires probably going on this, roof rack, sliders, new front bumper, everything, tire carry potentially in the back, rooftop tent, a lot of very, very cool things. So if you guys aren't subscribed yet, go ahead and subscribe to see this whole 4Runner build and collaboration with Yoda Mafia go up, bouncing back and forth between our YouTubes, and finally, hopefully getting this thing off-road and off-roading it some. Returning subscribers as always, I appreciate your guys' support, and I will catch you all in the next video. All right, see you later.